Hey guys, welcome back to Nerd Chic. I've had a lot of folks ask me, Dustin, how do I embed my YouTube live stream and not have it change every single time? And so we got a workaround. Here's the thing though, you're going to want to go get a Restream.io account. So get Restream. So Restream is Restream.io. And then if you're using Zoom, you're going to be able to broadcast from Zoom into Restream and then embed your live video anywhere you want to be, and you'll be able to broadcast it straight through to YouTube or Facebook or whatever. So if you're doing Zoom and you're going to YouTube, or you're using something else, you're going to YouTube on your live broadcast, and then you want that live broadcast embedded, here's the deal. Or you're just using Zoom and you want it embedded. This is the great news. In Zoom, you can go way down here at the bottom. I'm scrolling down. I'm in settings if you look. So here's everything. There's settings. Scroll all the way down here, way down here, just about right down here. And there you see allow live stream meetings. You can click Facebook, Workplace, YouTube, whatever, right? Or custom live streaming service. Instead of going to YouTube or Facebook directly, do custom live streaming service. And then whenever you launch Zoom, you can enter the settings to go to Restream, and your settings in Restream are right here. Now I've got another video on how to stream from Zoom to Restream, so go get that one and watch that later. But for this one's sake, I want to show you the embed code. So, and I'll put in the description a link to that video so you can watch the video on how to go from Zoom to Restream. Check this out. If you go into Restream and you've set up your YouTube channel and you've set up your Facebook channel, whatever, you go down to the three dots right here, and then down here in settings, you go inside and there's a widget. It says branding widget beta. Look at this. This bad boy right here is an embed URL for your website. You can choose small, medium, or large. So this is it. So you can do small, medium, large, and then guess what? You copy this URL, this piece right here, you drop it into your website, and every time you go live, even if it changes, every time you're live on Zoom and you push it out to Restream, it will broadcast into YouTube or Facebook, wherever you're sending it, and here through this widget. So it's always updated. You don't have to keep updating it. And that's the win. Okay, so I've got to finish this up, but if you haven't seen the video on how to go from Zoom to YouTube, go watch that. If you want to learn more on how to schedule your videos with YouTube through Restream, I can show you that in another video here in this playlist. But hopefully this will help you guys with your embeds that you're wanting to get your live videos embedded in your website. All right, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ask for more tutorials. Boom.